Hi everyone! Today, I'll show you how to turn a static photo into an animated video in Canva. Let's get started. Open Canva and create a project. Upload or select a photo from the elements. Let's use this image as an example. Resize it to fill the page. Click Edit. Then go to Magic Studio and open the Magic Graph. Magic Graph will detect objects in the photo. Select the person or object you want to isolate and click Graph. Wait for processing. Once done, the isolated object will appear as a separate layer. Resize and reposition it slightly. Next, select the photo background. Click Animate and choose the Breathe effect. Adjust the animation duration to control the movement speed. If you notice white edges at the start of the animation, click on the photo background and resize it. Now preview the animation. The background now moves subtly, adding depth to your design. To export, go to Share, click Download, select the MP4 format, and click Download. And that's it! If this helped, subscribe for more Canva tips. Thanks for watching.